Hey guys, Ben here from the Fibreglass Factory. Today we're going to talk about cutting fiberglass. Before we start, if you could do us a favour and hit the subscribe button, that'd be fantastic. So, number one choice of tool is the angle grinder. So it's a 5-inch one I've got here, and with a fairly large disc on it. If you can use a large disc, it just makes it a little bit easier. You can go in a bit further than normal. And also it's going to cut a lot faster because of the way it rotates. You don't get nearly as much speed if the disc's only this size than if it's this size. So the larger the disc is, the more speed you've got, just cutting a lot faster. The safety equipment we've got, safety glasses to protect your eyes, dust mask and some earmuffs. With the dust mask, you've just got to make sure that, that it's good for the dust particles. And that it seals well. You don't want to be breathing this stuff in. It grabs onto your lungs, and it's not good for you at all. So that's why we always wear a respirator when we're grinding. Now the other thing that I always do is cover up, so I don't have exposed arms or legs. Even when it's really hot, I still cover up, because you're better off to be hot than you are to be itchy. You can get used to it over time, but probably if you're just doing a little bit here and there, you don't give you enough time to expose yourself to get used to it, and you don't really want to get used to it. It's not nice. All right, I'm going to give you a demonstration and we'll take it from there. When you're going to cut in, then you'll just sort of come up the side and up into where you want to go, and then run along here. But I'm going to do it this way, along here. And I'm going to keep my blade in a fair way so that I've got a nice flat area that it naturally wants to go straight along. If you're just cutting it with the tip, then you can sort of wobble quite easily. So this will just make things a little bit easier for me. Right, so it's not quite finished, but we're quite close to the edge there. We just get a block and hand sand over it just to tidy it up and finish that last 0.5 millimetre off. And that'll be good to go to the customer. This is actually a pattern we're working on, so it's going to get all modified anyway to suit a different vehicle. If you've got any questions, feel free to put them in the comments below. Otherwise, we'll see you on the next video, and don't forget to subscribe.